The debt collection platform, what we have done over a period of time is consolidated a lot of the process in terms of digital as well as collection and the recovery part, and we have got it under one umbrella. Second, what we have done is we have created a platform base which is in congruence with the entire pace of the business which is there. So, with the entire digital movement in India, the pace of digitization is very fast, and the way the things are moving in terms of the technology, in terms of the business, the technology also needs to adapt onto the same. So the platform has the capability to ensure that whatever the business requirement is, we are able to kind of translate them into functionality and features in a very short period of time. Uh, Apart from that, as a vision perspective, what we are trying to achieve is, the lines are getting blurred between the entire digital and the physical paradigm. Uh, you know, the entire collection process was a physical process, not so very long back, and today, the way it is moving, there is a lot of digitization which is happening into it in terms of reminders which are sent to the customer through various channels. But the idea over here, the idea that we are trying to achieve is learn from the data which the customer has. So all the banks have a plethora of data which we can leverage through big data and ML algorithms. And one is create the risk profiling for the customers. Second, we can also understand the behavior patterns of the customers as to when they pay, how they pay, what is the natural point of the day or point of the month where we have to reach out to these customers, what is the channel through which we have to reach out to the customer. So the idea that, or the crux that we are trying to build is this entire brain which we want to feed it with all this data through the banks, through our collection systems, and ensure that it is aiding in the entire collection strategy process. Because at the moment, the entire strategy process is a manual thing, and it is kind of leveraged on a few individuals in the organization. So what mCollect will do is use this knowledge through the months of data which it is accumulating, and then suggest patterns, suggest strategies in which the entire collection needs to be taken care of. So at the moment, we are leveraging as I said, the entire ML algorithm and the data which is there in terms of demographics, the payment history, the default history, the bounce data, and we are using this to create this categorization. Now, how does this help? Is basically how do we reach out to the customer? A low risk customer does not have to be reached out on a daily basis. The reminders would be few. So the irritation for the customer is also less in terms of how we reach out. If let's say a customer has tried to do the payment and has failed because of some reason, maybe network or something like that, then we can do an IVR call and do a guided process so that the customer is aided. So these are the nuances which we can build into the entire digital process, into the entire digital reach out through the customers. The third aspect, which is obviously very important, is the security, wherein the entire layers through which this entire digital process is happening, right from the reach out through communication, as well as the field processes, as well as the other modules in terms of legal and call center that we're launching. The data sharing and all this would be in a very secured manner, wherein the personal data is not visible to the agents. They would see the data mask. The entire data is encrypted at the database level. We're using technology to ensure that the base of the software is kind of robust, and on top of that, the way we are deploying or the way we are exposing this software we ensure that certain layers of security are added, where we deploy it, how we deploy it, what application servers we are using, what are the network layers which are necessary for this. So all these things are taken care of, and also there is the entire audit process wherein we ensure that there are frequent audits of the software, and these are these would result into certifications that our software is secure, and ensure that the data is not visible from a data visibility perspective and the data extraction perspective, and the entire way, the thought of breaking the software, etc. So we cover all these areas into the entire security aspect.